Presented to us by Elverde Internationals. Also presented to us by Filipino Boxing Federation. Ladies and gentlemen, this supporting main event is subsidized against the business board. Attorney Francisco Rivera, Commissioner Angel Molina, and Manuel Escalante, Chief of Boxing and other combat sports, Mr. Rodrigo Manao. Ladies and gentlemen, the three judges at ringside. Scoring this contest in the 10-point cost system will be Sami Bernabe, Color Arbrius, and Wilco. And when the bell rings, your man in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Alan B. Hopaso. And now from El Lord, ladies and gentlemen, Red Introducing first, fighting out of the corner wearing black with yellow, officially 116.1 pounds. He has a veteran professional record consisting of 18 big victories, 13 defeats with 2 bouts even. Proudly representing RC Boxing Stable of Mandaluyong City, here is Captain Ruben Rocha. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing white, red, and yellow, officially 115.3 pounds. Professional record, an excellent one. 14 big victories, only 1 defeat, with 9 of these victories coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing Team Sema Boxing Gym of Cavite, ladies and gentlemen, here's the famous John Vincent Blanca. And once again, for the instructions, here's referee Alfie Hoposo.
Round 1 yan mga idol. Mahaba talaga to. Abot ng langit. Dati may iksi na yun ako gamit.
Round number 1.
Dito sa akin, tabi ko. Dito, upo ka dito banda. Dito, upo ka lang to, sa likod, upo ka lang dyan. Yan.
Oh no!
Ten second.
And round number 1.
Round number 1 mga idol. Tapos. Coming soon.